a very lovely husband for me because he helps me other than me. And this morning, my mom-in-law wanted to know about this event, and I told her, and she's like, "Who's the guest of honor? I said, "It's Tanya Mirza." So she's like, very honest and genuine. So as we have introduced everyone, we would like. Um, mics. Okay, with everyone. And because this talk is going to be extremely interesting. And
You can use this beer. You can use this one. In the meantime.
is this better? Yes, it is better. So let's.
German company in the US, and she's doing very well. I'm running. We are doing whatever we are doing, but what I'm saying is that is because of the way we were brought up. We were never told your girls you should not do. And exactly like her, when my first son was born, we really didn't know what to do. I almost felt like doing same pinch.
Yeah.
Always believe that every child, whether boy or girl, it doesn't matter, they should learn whatever has to be done at home. It should be a part of their daily routine. So make it a part of their daily routine and it becomes not a chore. You should not say, okay, this is your duty or something like that. It should become just like you get up in the morning and brush your teeth. Same way you clean up your bed, you make your bed. There's so much said about making up the bed. It's supposed to be the best thing in the morning.
In the
There's
morning.
a very bestseller book also written on it. So right from making their bed, everything they can do on the
Exactly.
That's what.
Yeah.
That's what I would say. And one thing that I would say is, I can call them maybe the 3 C's. One is communication. Because when there is not enough communication, you just give instructions, say, come on, go do this, go do that. Today, especially today, children are not willing to. When we were young, if my children, my mother, both my sons and me, right from dusting to cleaning, mopping, everything we used to do, and none of us felt that, okay, this is my job. So that if you can bring, after communication comes very connection. The connection happens between you and when there is a connection, when there is that bond, parents, children will automatically. Usually there is a saying I had read, I was just telling Sanjay and the others that if you want to get something done, there are 3 ways to get it done. One is do it yourself. 2, hire somebody to do it. 3, tell your children not to do it. If you
That's so true.
But why should that?
That's so true.
But why should that be? Why shouldn't be that when I'm telling my child something or they're telling me something, why can't we have that connect where we are with each other? Why should we be on the opposite sides of the playing tennis?
Yeah, that's actually true. It's all about collaboration now.
And then comes the collaboration.
Oh, yes.
Then there is no, there's such a smooth transition there.
True.
That's what I would say.
Very true. I think earlier, maybe when we were shining and having a voice, and
All the young
mothers,
moms
all
here
you
who are
young
doing a
mothers,
great
big
job
round
and
of
changing
applause,
attitudes.
because coming here, being here with us means a lot. Okay, so now we would like to close the session and just a general question to each of you could answer or whatever you like. Whose responsibility do you think it is to take up this whole cleaning process at home? Again, what would you say? I mean, who should start doing it?
Photographers, if you can. Photographers are done. Right, photographer. Let's start. We will do the media interaction. Sir, thoda sa. Come. We'll do it not on the stage.
Thank Thank you very much for coming here. I think हम सबका responsibility as human beings, लेकिन आपका भी मीडिया में आपके पास इतना पावर है कि हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के है कि ये मैसेज को स्प्रेड करें और ये मैसेज को घर घर लेके जाएं, क्योंकि हमने बहुत बात की है. वी स्पोक अ लॉट अबाउट cleanliness, we spoke a lot about equality, but the whole mission for this initiative is to really instill the cleanliness and the equality starting from home. And once we start from home, it is the equality that will reach outside our homes, and that is the world that we would love to live in.
Thank you.
You want-
Yeah, I think potentially to make a powerful change in society, and it's a simple act of cleaning equal today. Sharing the responsibility of cleaning at home can actually create a more equal society tomorrow. So clean equal today for an equal tomorrow is really the mission that we are working with. We have just started off on this mission, and we hope to really kind of be able to influence and change the mindset and induce these behaviors and attitudes in as many children as possible, so that the next generation grows up in a way that makes our country a much more equal country, and as a consequence we can be a much more successful society and country. Thank you.